Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a jacket. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the problem. Is it a coil, plastic, or metal zipper? Look closely for any bent or missing teeth, or if the slider is simply off track. This initial assessment will guide you toward the most effective repair method, saving you time and effort. If your zipper teeth are misaligned or the slider has come off, you can often fix it with a few simple tools. For metal zippers, use needle nose pliers to gently straighten any bent teeth. If the slider is off, carefully work it back onto the teeth from the bottom. A tiny bit of graphite or wax can help the slider glide effortlessly, making the repair much easier. Sometimes, the slider itself is the problem, becoming too loose or damaged to function. You'll need to find a replacement slider that matches your zipper's size, typically marked on the back of the old slider. Carefully remove the old one, perhaps by gently prying it open with a flathead screwdriver. Then, slide the new one onto the top of the zipper teeth, ensuring it engages properly. For zippers missing a bottom stop, you can crimp on a new metal stop or create a fabric one by sewing several stitches across the bottom. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future issues. Clean your zippers with a small brush to remove dirt and lint. Applying a thin layer of wax or a silicone-based lubricant every few months will keep them running smoothly for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.